trade to make a living, it becomes so difficult. If you trade to make an income month end, it becomes so difficult. This is why we tend to see people start doing account management, start selling signals, selling all these other things to supplement that, right? And I always say this to people, is that trading is not, we must understand what trading is, right? It's an investment tool, right? It's not an income generator tool.
Warren Buffett was once told in the '08 crash, Mr. Buffett, you've lost $10 million today. Do you know what he said? He said, I haven't lost anything. I haven't sold. Me and Buffett have the same mindset. I'm tens of thousands in loss on my Euro USD trades, but I haven't lost anything because I haven't closed the trade. No stop loss. We share that mindset, and inshallah, the markets will turn around and I will be profitable. That's the problem with these traders nowadays. Stop losses, closing their trades. Don't close, don't lose. Exactly.
When you begin, it's always hard to start. It's common that you have high expectations. At first you lose when learning trading art. But don't give up, just try to have some patience. Of course you think that game will be so easy. Such business is as cruel as the rest. Don't let your wins just make your head be dizzy. If stay and trade, result will be the best. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Some time will pass and you will see the trading is not so hard for those who they're long. There's always one whose help is there waiting. And finally, you'll keep your profits strong. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. You know that only Forex will give you continue getting better. Just don't give up, be in a deal, and know that Forex only matter. Forex is my love.
Good day to all funded trader. I just want to call your attention to something that is very, very important to your trading account so that you will not going to be messing up your trades. And remember, like I said in my first video of a funded account. So you need to always compare your own personal money and the funded account that AXI link with you when you qualify to manage their fund portfolio. Why am I saying this? Because you remember that we as edge trader, we trim and we roll over. But if you are trimming without considering the axis, uh, equity, balance, profits, you just see that your score edge will be coming dropping day by day, and eventually you can just lose the your funding account, and you will need to start struggling again. So now, if you look at my own money, which is the one on MT4 is my personal money. The one on the right side on the Agri Select page is my funded account. Okay. So now this morning I want to trim my AUD card. You can see this one is 121. So I feel like to trim it by to trim the 0.04 and close this gentleman completely and close this one completely. I went to my history, all the history that I've been trading. I realized that the profit, my P&L is $240, $240 48 cents is what profit I've done. So I now come to Axis Select. And if you look at Axis now, the profit is 220.88. So for me not to make a mistakes, if I just look at my profit and I use it to do what I want to do here, it's gonna be okay. It will be fine. But the problem or the challenges I'm going to have is I'm going to lose from my Axi profit. And Axi profit is very, very important to me for me not to affect uh, my profit and my score edge or edge score. So if you look at 22248.48 minus 22 minus 220.88, I can only trim $28 away from this account without affecting my Axi account. Because already, if we look at my Axi, Axi funded me in month of March, which is this, and in April, in March I did 4.1%. In April so far, today is 21, I just did 0.3%. So if I just roll over anyhow, my April is going to throw me back to negative because I only have $27.60 to roll over. So if you ask me what to do, I would rather leave it like this until I have enough opportunity to trim properly. You understand what I'm saying? Because for example, if I my sell is minus $120 and I have to buy here, which is 0.05, which is positive, but they are not positive enough to trim from here. So I want to trim from my profit, which we call rollover. I want to roll over from my profit, and I realize I need to check my monthly performance on Axi. Please, as a professional trader, you have to calm down anytime you are dealing with your own account, especially if Axi has already allocated funded account for you. You can see now that if I want to roll over my $248 from my own personal account, it's not a problem at all. It's not a problem. I'm gonna do it nicely, but it will have effect. I did mean this is like 200. I would have said, okay, I have uh 48 to roll off, then it will be easy for me to roll off from this account. You understand? So this is what I just want us to understand, that when you are rolling off, you have to be very, very extremely careful so that it will not affect your your performance, your AXI performance. So I just need to do this. Today is Monday, Easter Monday, and market is running. So we just need to start monitoring our account one by one again after a long holiday. So be careful and watch your funded account. Consider it with your own fund whenever you want to make a decision. Thank you. Bye.